What's that? Did you have a big poopy and now you have to have a bath? Yeah. It's exciting, isn't it? Yeah, it was a lot. Are you looking forward to your bath? Yeah? Are you looking forward to your bath? No, it is exciting. All right, we're going to go take a bath. You go take a bath. Okay. Sounds good.